Okay, good evening. Welcome to
SuperMath98.
SuperMath98. Yesterday you struggled a little bit with an old AMC10 problem that was a geometry problem, and I just made one up that's kind of similar to it. So I've got two equilateral triangles with their bases parallel to each other. And they intersect in a way that the tip of this triangle just touches that spot up there, and the tip of this triangle just touches this spot down here. And the question is, what is the area of this shaded kind of diamond region in the middle?
Alright.
Alright. What do you think?
Well, this diamond area looks like it's a rhombus. And the area of the rhombus is diagonal times diagonal.
Okay.
So if we could figure out the diagonals, maybe that would help us. Well, I know the long diagonal.
What is it?
It's the height of one of the triangles, which is 5 times the square root of 3.
Okay. Interesting.
Though the other one might be a little harder to find.
I don't know. Maybe.
Well, now that I know that's 5 root 3, I have a little rectangle. Since I know these are parallel, I can drop these that are perpendicular.
Okay.
So this little rectangle is 10 by 5 root 3.
Alright, that's interesting.
And if we could figure out the area of this triangle and this triangle, which I think they're going to be the same because the triangles are equilateral. These triangles are equilateral, so the sides are the same here.
Okay.
But how would we find the area?
Good question. How could we find the area?
Well, we need this height.
Okay.
But is that height something else in that problem, in this problem? Well, I know that this angle is 60. I know that's 30,
Alright.
which means this is 60. And this is 60 up here. That's 30 and that's 60.
Okay.
So now we have a 30, 60, 90 triangle. And is this height, I mean, are these the same, this line and that line?
Ooh, good question.
That's what it boils down to.
And well, something boils down to that, yeah. So how could you, so you're basically asking, are these two triangles the same? Okay, how could you figure that out?
Well, we have angle, angle, side.
Angle, angle, side.
Because they share this side.
So there's a congruence on those two triangles.
So this is 3 root 3 over 2. It's 3 halves times the square root of 3. Oh wait, no. It's 5 halves.
Why did you think it was 3 halves?
I just got mixed up there.
Okay.
Because 3 halves is more common than 5 halves.
Okay.
So now that we know this is the side that normally has the root 3 on it in the 30, 60, 90 triangle.
Alright.
So this side here, this is 5 halves.
Okay.
And then this is 5.
Alright.
So the area of the shaded region, now the area of these triangles, it's 5 root 3 times 5 halves all over 2, which is 25 root 3 over 2 over 2, which is 25 root 3 over 4.
Okay.
And then we have 2 of those.
All right.
So it's 25 root 3 over 2.
Okay, so that's the area of those two triangles together is 25 root 3 over
And
2.
I'm planning on subtracting the area of these triangles plus the area of the two equilateral triangles from the area of the rectangle.
Okay.
And then what's left over is the area of the rhombus.
All right. Okay, I think it's probably been about 5 minutes. I'm just going to cut this movie off and just hit start and stop, okay?
Okay.